Hello friends, warm welcome to this video. How to make money with ChatGPT. Today, I have an exciting topic to discuss with you. Have you ever wondered if it's possible to make money with ChatGPT? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn your skills and creativity with ChatGPT into a potential source of income. So let's dive right in. Number 1. Content creation. The first way to make money with ChatGPT is through content creation. ChatGPT can assist you in writing articles, blog posts, social media content, and even scripts. You can offer your services on freelance platforms or create your own website to attract clients. Number 2. Virtual assistant. Many busy professionals and entrepreneurs are looking for reliable virtual assistants to handle tasks such as writing professional emails, introduction letters, newsletters, etc. With ChatGPT, you can provide virtual assistant services remotely and efficiently, helping your clients stay organized and focused on their core responsibilities. Number 3. Language translation. ChatGPT's multilingual capabilities make it a valuable tool for language translation. If you're fluent in multiple languages, you can leverage ChatGPT to offer translation services. Whether it's translating documents, website content, or even real-time conversations, your language skills combined with ChatGPT's language generation can provide accurate and efficient translation services to clients worldwide. Number 4. Online tutoring. With ChatGPT's ability to generate explanations and answers, you can venture into online tutoring. If you have expertise in a particular subject, you can create educational content, conduct virtual classes, or offer personalized tutoring sessions. And there you have it. Please do not forget to like this video. Make sure to subscribe to this channel for more upcoming tech support videos. Thank you for watching this video.